Hello guys, in this video we will talk about Flowise versus N8N and I will help you decide which one is better in 2025. So first, let's introduce each tool. So Flowise is a no-code or low-code platform focused on building AI workflows, while N8N is an open-source workflow automation tool that connects APIs, apps, and services through nodes. But both can integrate AI, but they differ in scope and design. Next, we will discuss their core strengths. So, for Flowise, it excels at AI model orchestration. You can drag and drop nodes representing LLMs, vector, databases, and prompts to build chatbots or AI-driven pipelines without coding. In contrast, N8N focuses on general automation. You can connect triggers and actions across hundreds of apps, with some AI nodes available but not specialized for deep model orchestration out of the box. Therefore, if your main goal is AI workflow development, Flowise may be more tailored for you. If you need broad automation, including AI tasks among many integration, N8N is stronger. Then we will talk about setup and deployment. For Flowise, it often runs locally or on cloud with Docker, requiring setup of model endpoints of API keys, such as OpenAI or Hugging Face. For N8N, it can be self-hosted or cloud-hosted or used via n8n.cloud, with easy deployment via Docker or on VPS. Thus, for flexible automation hosting, both offer options. Evaluate your infrastructure preferences for which one to use. Moreover, we will talk about user interface and ease of use. For Flowise UI, it is especially designed for AI pipelines. Nodes for prompts, embeddings, vector searches appear visually connected. For N8N's UI, it presents nodes for trigger actions. AI-related nodes are available but require configuration. So consequently, Flowise has an advantage for AI-centric visualization. N8N is more general purpose but might need more manual setup for AI tasks. Additionally, we will talk about integrations and extensibility. So for N8N, it has hundreds of built-in integrations, making it versatile for connecting services, while Flowise focuses on AI integrations, but can call APIs via HTTP nodes if supported. However, it may lack the breadth of connectors compared to N8N. Therefore, if you need complex workflows, mixing business apps with AI, N8N is preferable. Furthermore, we will talk about community and ecosystem. N8N has a large open source community with contributed nodes and active forums, while Flowise, being the newer one, has a growing community around AI workflows. So check their community support, tutorials, and templates when choosing. After that, we will talk about performance and scaling. For heavy AI tasks, Flowise may need robust compute or cloud endpoints for LLMs, while N8N workflows may be lighter but could require separate AI service integrations for heavy processing. So plan for resource allocation accordingly. To summarize all of those, choose Flowise if your primary focus is visually building and testing AI-centric pipelines or chatbots with minimal coding. Choose N8N if you need a general automation orchestrator that can include AI tasks among many other integrations. Sometimes you could even combine them. Use Flowise for AI workflow generation and then N8N to trigger or integrate those workflows in broader business processes. So you can just test both with a similar proof of concept to see which fits your best needs. And that's it. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorial videos, reviews, and comparison. Thank you for watching.